Imagine losing control in a moment of rage, saying things you regret, making impulsive decisions and hurting the ones you love. Anger feels powerful, but is it really helping you? Or is it your greatest enemy? We are diving into a fascinating and important topic. Why is anger a person's worst enemy? We all experience anger. It's a natural emotion. But when left unchecked, it can wreak havoc on our relationships, health, and decision-making. Stick around as we break down the psychology behind anger, how it affects us, and most importantly, how we can manage it before it controls us. Anger is a double-edged sword. In small doses, it can motivate us to stand up for ourselves, but when it becomes excessive, it turns destructive. Studies show that chronic anger leads to increased stress, high blood pressure, and even heart disease. Your body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing cortisol and adrenaline, which can be harmful over time. Have you ever felt exhausted after an angry outburst? That's your body reacting to the stress chemicals flooding your system. Beyond. Health risks. Anger destroys relationships. Think about a time when someone's anger hurt you. Harsh words and impulsive actions often leave deep emotional scars. Whether it's family, friends, or colleagues, uncontrolled anger can create rifts that are difficult to mend. Studies suggest that people with anger issues are more likely to struggle with loneliness and isolation. Have you ever seen a situation where anger escalated a minor disagreement into something far worse? Anger also clouds judgment. When we're angry, we make rash decisions, sometimes even life-changing ones. Road rage incidents, workplace conflicts, and even legal troubles often stem from uncontrolled anger. Neuroscience explains that anger hijacks the prefrontal cortex, the part of the brain responsible for rational thinking. This means anger can make you act before you think. Have you ever made a decision in anger that you later regretted? So how do we stop anger from being our enemy? Awareness is the first step. Recognizing when you're angry and understanding your triggers can help you manage it better. Simple techniques like deep breathing, counting to 10, or walking away from a heated situation can prevent an explosion. Mindfulness, meditation, and journaling can also help regulate emotions over time. Have you tried any anger management techniques? Let me know in the comments. At the end of the day, anger is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control you. Learning to manage anger not only improves your health and relationships, but also helps you make better decisions. So next time you feel that rage building up, take a step back, breathe, and ask yourself, is this worth it? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more insightful content. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. How do you handle anger? Let's learn from each other. Until next time, stay calm and stay in control.